When using WPS Presentation to create a presentation, sometimes we need to insert shapes to assist with the presentation and beautify the slides. How can we change the design of shape fill and outline? Left-click the inserted shape and get into the Drawing Tools tab. Then click the Shape Fill button. There are two options. One is to choose the default style provided by WPS Office, while the other allows us to get color from the interface with the eyedropper tool. If we want to fill the shape with a picture, choose the Picture or Texture Fill option from the menu of Fill. Then click From Pictures to pop up the file browser, where we can choose a picture as the filled effect. After finishing all the steps, click Open. Now we can see the effect of the selected shape filled with pictures. In addition, we can choose the Shape Fill option to adjust the filled effect for the shape. Users can choose from the default styles of shape fills provided by WPS Office. If we want to customize the shape fills settings, click Shape Fill and then More Fill. We can assess other settings for shape fills in the dialog of Object Formatting on the right-hand side. To learn more about shape fill and shape outline, please visit WPS Academy website.